So I'm just trying to move it a little bit so that... Woo! What? Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kiitana here. I have this black bob from Premier Lace Wigs, which is... Yo, do you see this angle? I don't know if you can see this angle. And I have this outfit. If you're not already subscribed to me, make sure you subscribe and also click the notification bell as well. Alright, well, let's get into this video. Okay, so here is the box. And take it out. Let's see. Let's go. Ooh! Come on, son. You can't even tell right now how it's about to look, y'all. Okay, so let me cut this lace off and I'll be right back. Okay, before I put it on my head, I want to quickly add makeup to the part right here on the inside so that, you know, it does what it needs to do. This always makes it look really, really natural. It ends up like, it's like a fake bleach in the knots. Like if you don't have time to bleach knots or if you don't know how, this is another alternative. Like automatically it looks a bit browner. I don't know if you can tell on camera. All right, let's put it back on and then we're gonna straighten it and get it all going. All right, so I've cut off the lace and got the part. Let me bring this a little bit forward. Got a little bob, but I want it to be straight and blunt. Like right now it has a little curve and I don't want that. So I'm getting my flat iron, Remington, and I'm just going to flat iron this hair and basically bone straight. So I'm not even curving it at all. Y'all see this? Ooh, it was a bit hot. Yes. Do y'all see this? Look at this. Sis. So I'm just trying to move it a little bit so that... Woo! What? I'm going to go in with a little bit more of my Fenty just to make this look exactly like my scalp. There's some hair that shouldn't be here. So basically, you can pretty much just pluck out any hairs that you feel like is unnecessary. Like, perfect. Oh, yes. And y'all, can y'all see this? Can you see this blunt bob?
That don't make it true. That don't make it true.
Alright, so I'm back with my outfit. Okay. Look at this. Oh, this bob though. Alright. Let me show you my outfit. Woo! I don't even know how to act.
You Kim K and I'm Kanye, always living for the picture. That's love in high definition. How clear is your vision? We ain't clicking, we'll never know if we ain't clicking in high definition. I'm trying to make it clear for you.
Oh, I love this bob. I just love it.
Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you'd die? Tell me what you want and not, and I will give it to you. 'Cause you are mine. Do you ever dream of